I've heard about Power BI, but I'm not sure how to use it. Can you help me?
Absolutely. Power BI is a powerful tool for analyzing and visualizing data. The first step is to connect your data to Power BI Desktop.
How do I do that?
You can connect to a variety of data sources, including Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, and cloud-based services like Salesforce. Once you've connected your data, you can start building your report.
That sounds great. But how do I make my report look good?
Power BI has a variety of visualization options, including charts, graphs, and maps. You can customize the colors, fonts, and layout to create a report that's both informative and visually appealing.
Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of it. But how do I share my report with others?
You can publish your report to the Power BI Cloud service, where you can create and share personalized dashboards with your team or stakeholders. You can also set up automatic data refreshes to ensure your report is always up to date.
Wow, that's really helpful. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Remember, Power BI is a powerful tool for gaining insights into your business. With the right skills and knowledge, you can transform dull data into dazzling dashboards and reports that help you make informed decisions.